Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, if you want to ask me anything. Okay. I will try my level best to share all the information and knowledge, whatever information and knowledge I am having from my experience, from my own Kundalini Ascension journey. I am going to share with you all, and I hope it will help you out in some manner. So, if you have not checked the previous videos, you can have a look on that too, because I have uploaded in Hindi language as well as now I'm making in English language also, so that you can be able to understand what I am talking about too. So in my last video I told you that what is Markaba and why the activation of Markaba is required. Okay, I tell you about this. If you have not seen that video, please have a look on that too. In this video I'm going to tell you that how the Markabic field is going to activate it inside of you. Okay, how you can activate your Markabic field. So in this video I'm going to tell you about it. First I am going to tell you more in this video too, that what is Markaba and what is why the activation is required. I told you that Markaba is your light body, basically light body activation. Okay, and that is having your divine soul blueprints. And before 60,000 years ago, okay, the Markabic field of planet Earth, the mother Earth, was hijacked by the reptilians and dark forces, and the upper side of the Markaba is called the masculine, and the lower side of the Markaba is called the triangle is called feminine, and this was hijacked and they were separated. Okay, so now the Markabik field is rotating into anti-clockwise. Okay, and right now we are here on this planet Earth. All star seeds, all twin flames, all rainbow child, all indigo childs, they are sending on the planet Earth by the Galactic Federation to activate their own individual Markabik field. Okay, to make the Markabik field into the clockwise direction again. Okay, I told you all these things in my last video. You can have a look in that video more so that you can understand that. Now let's start this thing, that how you can understand, how you can activate this twin flame, how you can activate your Markabik field. Okay, so the first point is that firstly you have to make a union of your inner masculine and feminine energy. You have to make a balance of your inner masculine and feminine, and you have to make them reunite with each other. Okay, the second thing is that you have to make a union of your higher self and your soul self. That means your monad self and your soul self, your 5D self and your 3D self. You have to unite these two also. And the third point is that you have to unite with your divine father and the divine mother. Okay, then you have to create the inner union with your star family union. Okay, which because the twin flame journey is not a single union of two you both. Okay, of you both, this is a multi-dimensional union basically. So you have to create these four union inside of you, and once you have created these four things, okay, you will be able to create your Markabik field. And in your Markabik field, you will be getting this activation on your stage number 13, the Kundalini Ascension journey. There are many stages. On when you reach on stage 13, you will be able to create your individual Markabik field. So please try to heal yourself as much as you can. Start balancing your masculine and feminine energy, and make a reunion of your inner masculine and feminine energy. Then make a union of your higher self and your soul self, your 5D self and 3D selves, because your soul self, you are disconnected from your soul self. So you have to make a reunion of these two also. Then you have to get union with your divine mother and the divine father. Okay, so these are the steps. And the fourth step is you have to you have to get the reunion with your star family union. Okay, then you only be able to activate your individual Markabik field. Okay, and once you have started your once you be able to create your individual Markabik field into the clockwise direction, you will be able to get union with your twin flame too. So this was my video. I hope it will help you out in some manner. And if you want to let me know anything, or if you want to tell me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but I'll try my level best to deliver all the information which I'm having. So try to create your individual Markhabi wheel as soon as possible. That's all I can say by doing all these 4 steps. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all of you, whoever is watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.